Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify insurance underwriting with Lemonade for landlords. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify insurance underwriting with Lemonade for landlords, start by visiting the Lemonade website. Click on the Get a Quote button. Select the type of insurance you need, specifically landlord insurance. Enter your property address details in the prompted fields. Provide information about the property, including the number of units and the type of occupancy. Specify any additional features or amenities that may affect coverage. Next, fill out the required personal information, such as your name and contact details. Review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application. Wait for a few moments as Lemonade processes your information. After processing, you will receive an underwriting decision displayed on your screen. If additional information is needed, follow the prompts to provide the required documentation. Review the coverage options that Lemonade offers based on your property details. Select the coverage that best meets your needs and budget. Finally, complete the payment process to activate your insurance policy. You will receive a confirmation email with your policy details shortly after. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your insurance underwriting with Lemonade for your rental property. Keep this information handy for future reference or policy adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.